What's up, guys? Got some bad news about that Splendida. The day I brought her home, she had a respiratory infection, so I had contacted who I bought it from, and he had me bring it back, and I put it towards ordering something else, so I ordered this girl right here. Not sure if you guys can see all that orangish on top, in between the bands. As she gets older and turns into an adult, all that will turn yellow. So wherever you see that orange will be yellow. She'll have the yellow sides. By the way, she's a Brooks. Trying to get some light here. See all the orange on her side. All the orange on top. So I figured I'd show you guys this new little baby here. Can't wait to see what she's going to look like when she's grown up. But